Hello students, today I discuss Standard 8 GK, your chapter 6, page number 8, Indian Defense Aircraft. To discuss Indian Defense Aircraft. To related different aircraft. First of all, Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. The Sukhoi Su-30 MKI is jointly developed by Russia, Sukhoi and India Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for the Indian Air Force. यानी कि रशिया के सुखोई और हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स लिमिटेड जो है इंडिया का, दोनों कंपनी मिल करके इंडियन एयरफोर्स मिल करके इसको मेड किया है. द एयरक्राफ्ट इज इक्विप्ड टू ऑपरेट ऑटोनोमसली in combat over hostile territory. The MKI is equipped with a lethal 30 mm cannon and a range of missiles, rockets and bombs mounted externally on 10 hard points. The aircraft provides general air defense in cooperation with ground and airborne control stations. Second, MiG-21. The MiG-21 NATO designations Fishbed. MiG-21 was one of the most widely used fighters in the world, having outlived its useful life in the Indian Air Force. It is being rapidly phased out. Next, aircraft MiG-21. The MiG-21 has capability to destroy hostile air targets within radar coverage limits and also to neutralize ground target using unguided weapons in visual flight conditions. The MiG-21 fighter is equipped with 7 external hardpoint for air-to-air missile, air bombs and unguided rockets. Next, defense aircraft Mirage 2000. Mirage 2000, a multi-role combat fighter made by Dassault Aviation of France. The Mirage 2000 has 9 hard point for carrying weapon system payloads. It includes 5 on the fuselage and 2 on each wings. The plane is also equipped to carry a range of air-to-surface missiles and weapons including laser-guided bombs. Next, Jaguar IS or IB. It was produced to meet a joint Anglo-French requirement in 1965 to meet dual role of advanced operational trainer and tactical support aircraft. Originally intended to be used as an advanced trainer, the Jaguar has been transformed into a potent fighter bomber. Next, to Tejas. The HAL Tejas is a lightweight multi-role fighter aircraft developed by India. It has shoulder-mounted delta wings with no tail and powered by a single engine. It can be armed with air-to-air, air-to-ground and anti-ship missiles, rockets, bombs and precision-guided montations. Let us practice. Sukhoi Su-30K is related to C. NATO designation Flanker H. MiG-21 is related to NATO designation Fishbed. MiG-29 is related to NATO designations Falcon. 4 number Mirage 2000 is related to 9 hardpoint 4 weapon system payload. Jaguar IS is related to potent fighter bomber. Next chapter, Constitutions of India. इंडिया का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस यानी कि इंडिया का संविधान. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू डिस्कस क्वेश्चंस. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल हेड ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इज प्रेसिडेंट. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल हेड ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इज प्रेसिडेंट. Next 2 number, the constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949. कब? 26 November 1949. 3 number, the constitution came into force on 3 number 26 January 1950. The constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. 4 number, the Constitution of India was adopted and enacted by the dash. 4 number, Constituent Assembly. The Constitution of India was adopted and enacted by the Next, 7th number, the term of the office of the President of India is 7th number 5 years. 8th number, the dash is the head of the Council of Ministers. Prime Minister is the head of Council of Ministers. 9 number, dash in the central government are appointed on the advice of President, Cabinet Ministers. 10 number, the Council of States is called the Raj Sabha. The House of the People is called the Lok Sabha. The Chief Minister of a state is appointed by the Governor of State. 13 number, the minimum age for the membership of the Raj Sabha is 30 years. 14 number, Article dash of the Constitution of India empowers the central government to take over a state government when the constitutional machinery fails. 14 356. 15 number, dash has the power to interrupt the Constitution in India. Supreme Court has the power to interrupt the Constitution of India. Next chapter, Union Territories of India. Your first number question, the Andaman and Nicobar group of islands are separated by dash parallel 10 degree north parallel. 2 number, which Union Territory of India enjoy the epithet the city beautiful? 2 number, Chandigarh. Who ruled Dadar and Nagar Haveli until its liberation on 2 August 1954? 3 number, Portuguese. 4 number, thank you.